Today we're having pruta carbonara but with hearts of palm. So this is just fully made with hearts of palm pasta. Cheers, you guys. This might be one of my favorite hacks because that is freaking delicious. I haven't had pruta in forever, so this is truly hitting the spot. I cooked my sausage in the air fryer for like 12 minutes and it's perfectly crispy. This is actually my first time trying hearts of palm pasta. I got mine from Trader Joe's, but they also have like the Palmini brand, and I feel like I've been missing out. Some fresh kimchi. Look how creamy the noodles are. Like, I'm honestly not missing the texture of regular noodles because it's so similar. It does have like a little bit of a bite to it, and it's very similar to the enoki mushrooms.